In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a free YouTube intro that is killer. And then at the end, I'm going to share some best practices for you that are going to surprise you. If you look here on the right-hand side, you can see that I manage multiple YouTube channels, 4 main ones to be exact. My largest, almost 500,000 subscribers. So I've done this a time or two. You're going to head on over to canva.com. When you get there, your homepage should look like this. You're going to click video. You see here on the bottom left-hand side. The sizing of the video should already be set, but just in case, you want to make sure that it is 1920 by 1080. If you look here, you can automatically select an intro. Let's do this one right here. Let's just pop that one in there. Hit the play button down here. You can see how it's going to look. You can change the time by dragging this over. I could make this 3 seconds long. Let's go ahead and hit that play button again. Perfect. Go in here and then you can edit anything that you want to. You can see right here, you can see right here, you could change that graphic, you could take that graphic out, click the graphic, move it around. The possibilities are endless. If we move back over, let's just click another one here. Let's just get out of this thing. Let's just go back. What if we pick this pink one? Let's go ahead and hit this play button. Perfect. Once you've edited everything up and you love the intro that you've created, click here on the top right-hand side that says share. You're going to click the download option. It's going to be an MP4. Click download and it will save to your downloads. Go ahead and import this into your editing software. I've been using Adobe Premiere Pro for the last 3 years since I have started YouTube. So you just go ahead and drag that on your timeline for each video that you create. No matter the software that you use, again, it's just a drag and drop situation when it comes to your YouTube intro. Anything I talk about will be linked in the description box below. I do recommend that you upgrade to the Pro version of Canva because you will get a lot more features available to you. Okay, I know this looks funny. Let's talk about best practices because I don't want you wasting any of your time when it comes to making a YouTube intro. This is my YouTube channel, Elite Fit with Andrea Jean. It's the newest one here. Let's just look at an intro for a second. Bear with me. This will be helpful for you. Do it. You can see that quick little blue bomb that I put in there. It was probably like, 3 to 5 seconds long. You'll notice in my recent videos, I have taken it out completely and I no longer have an intro. You'll also notice on this channel you're watching right here, I do not have an intro other than telling you what the video is about. I also do not have an intro for this channel right here, Andrea Jean Cleaning, other than welcome back to Andrea Jean Cleaning and Life Hacks. And I can even take that out. My number one goal for you is to see you succeed on YouTube, make some money, be able to quit a full-time job. So if I may suggest, I would skip an intro entirely. Why? It's a waste of time. People only want to see what that title in your thumbnail said in your video. They don't care about your intro. And when you stop wasting your time and your viewers' time, you keep your viewer coming back. Yes? And I know this is a hard one to swallow, but I want to see you excel. They are not there for you. Your viewer is there to learn something or be entertained, just like you are not here for me. You're here for me to teach you something about YouTube. And the more efficiently that I can do that for you, the better all around. And if you insist on creating an intro, I recommend that you have it less than 3 seconds. And when you keep your viewer in mind at all times with the content that you create, that's how you grow a channel like this and make over $500,000 a year with one YouTube channel with one revenue stream. You know that I love and appreciate you greatly, and I tell you the truth from the bottom of my heart. Now, if you want to learn 6 proven ways to make money with YouTube, click the video on screen now and in the description box below. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you, my friend, in the next one.